Hi everyone, it's Anissa from Two Traveling Texans, and today is April 1st, 2018, which means it's Easter. So happy Easter everyone. And we are in New York City. So that means today is the New York City Easter Bonnet Parade. It's not like a normal parade. Anybody can join, but you are going to really be amazed at the creativity of all the people and their Easter bonnets. So let's head to Fifth Avenue and check it out. So we met up with my friend Alondra.
Hello.
She's from Dominican Republic, but she lives in New York now, and this is her first Easter parade.
Yes.
So what do you think?
I think it's really good. It's a lot better than what I was expecting. It's fun too.
So next year you're going to come again?
Yes, I'm coming.
And you'll make your own Easter bonnet?
Yeah, I'm going to make my own hat.
Because Alondra's a lot more artistic and creative than I am. I wish I had half the creativity of some of these people. I love the Easter bonnets. One of these years, I'm gonna come up with something creative. So I want to hear from you guys. Which Easter bonnets were your favorites? Tell me about it in the comments. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe so you can see more of our videos.